The Mad Muscles app has been gaining popularity for its personalized fitness coaching claims. It promises to design custom workouts and meal plans based on your body type, lifestyle, and goals. So I tried it for a few weeks to see how practical it really is. Now, once you sign up, it asks detailed questions about your body stats, experience level, and availability. There, it generates a workout plan and meal guide that adjusts weekly. It's like having a digital trainer that tracks your progress and keeps you accountable. Now, after using it daily, I found the workout surprisingly good. No random routines, just focused, progressive ones that matched my energy level. The app layout is clean, easy to follow, and even the nutrition advice is realistic. I didn't feel overwhelmed, and it really helped me stay consistent. However, the downside is a subscription cost, and it doesn't integrate easily with other fitness trackers. Some features like chat coaching feel limited. But overall, Mad Muscles is one of the few fitness apps that actually personalize your plan and keep you motivated, definitely more than just hype. And that's it. That is my review of the Mad Muscles fitness app.